Yours. That's unfair. And also the busy. So we have been given the equation. So this equation is coming from a variation. Then we have been told to find the value of k. So we are going to get the equation as it has been given. Then from there, within the statement, we have been given both values of x and y. So we are going to use them in this equation. So we are going to have x equals 3 from here and y equals 17. Then we replace y, 17 equals k. Then x, like that. Three squared, 9 minus 1. So k equals 17 over 8. Then we go for B. B is saying find the value of y when x is equal to -5. So from the variations, we know that after you have found the value of k, you need to go back here and replace it. Then that equation is called what? What do we call that equation? What do we call the equation after you have replaced the value of k on this point? What is the name of the equation? The equation connecting x and y. X and y. So we always take this value back here. And this is the equation we are going to use to solve other questions. So that is a step. From there now, we go back to the question. We are looking for y when our x is -5. So get your x and put it there, and then solve for y. So as we replace, we put it in brackets. So -5 squared. What is inside? Children, what can we do here? 17 over 8, 24 inside. 8 into 24, which is 3. Then 17 times 3. So we start 7 times 3. 7 times 3, 21, right? 1 carry 2. 3 times 1 plus 2. So that is the value for y. Question 1C is saying the values of x. So we are going to use the same equation connecting x and y. This equation is very important. So that is why whenever you find the k value, you always have to replace it. So that you should be using this equation. So we have been told here that let's look for the values of c. They have said values because x is squared. When y is 7. So y is 7, then we do not know x. So y is 7. So we shall start by cross multiplying. 8 and 7 will get 56. And then 17 like that. From there, it is time to divide 17 on both sides. So if you divide 17 this side, it will expire, then it will show the other side. So it is as good as saying x minus 1 remains after dividing 17. Then 17 will divide 56. Are we together? It's fine? Then this one now goes the other side. So we're going to have 56 over 17 plus 1. Yes, faster way of doing it, we've said 17 times 1, then plus what? 56. So it's as good as saying 56 plus what? 17. So 56 plus 17. This is 13 carry 1. This is 6 plus 1. So 73 over 17. From there, we put the square root. This is step 1, not the calculator. Square root, square root. So the two possible values are square root in a negative way of 73 over 17, or the positive way of 73 over 17. So those are the two possible answers.